Welcome back. You're tuned in to Round 1 action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Dunrobin Christian Academy on 4 and Bamboo Primary on 5. There was an adjustment during the break. For general knowledge, what is the nationality of someone born in Norway? It was incorrectly pronounced Norwegian, and so they have now lost a point and are now on 5. It is now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in category of mathematics, so let's begin with Captain Anna Murphy from Bamboo Primary and Kira Vassell from Dunrobin Christian Academy. Anna, what is the gain percentage if the cost price for an item is $3 and the selling price is $4.20? Question passes to Kira. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 40%. Anna, the perimeter of a triangle ABC is 84 centimeters. The length of A is 27 centimeters and B is 39 centimeters. What is the length of C?
$18 centimeters.
Correct. How much are the Roman numerals M, D, C, L, X, V, I?
1,677.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kira?
No, thank you.
1,667. Anna, how long would it take a motorist to travel a distance of 288 kilometers at a rate of 36 kilometers per hour?
6 hours?
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kira?
No, thank you.
It's 8 hours. And final question for you, Anna. If 6n minus 6 equals 42, what is n?
7.
Incorrect. It's 8. Your questions now, Kira. What is the loss percentage if the cost price for an item is $9? The selling price is $7.20. Question passes to Anna. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 20%. Kira, the perimeter of a triangle ABC is 98 centimeters. The length of A is 37 centimeters and B is 28 centimeters. What is the length of C? Question passes to Anna. Would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. 33 centimeters.
Correct. Kira, how much are the Roman numerals C, D, L, X, I, X?
$469.
Correct. How long would it take a cyclist to ride a distance of 216 kilometers at a rate of 36 kilometers an hour? Question passes to Anna. Would you like to try?
No, thank you.
6 hours. And your final question, Kira, if 7n minus 8 equals 55, what is n?
Pass.
Would you like to try, Anna?
Yes, thank you. 6.
Incorrect. It's 9. That's the end of the math face-off. We move on to science, and this is Sonique Valentine from Bamboo up against Javen Campbell from Dunrobin Christian Academy. Sonique, what provides energy in the process photosynthesis?
The sun's energy?
Repeat.
The sun's energy?
Judges, she says the sun's energy. Accepted. Which optical instrument allows us to view objects around corners and over walls? Question passes to Javen. Would you like to try?
Yes, miss. Periscope.
Correct. Sanique, back to you. Beriberi is a condition in the body resulting from a lack of which vitamin?
Vitamin B3.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Javen?
Yes, miss. B1.
Or B, that's correct. Sanique, back to you. Complete this statement with the correct word. The waste product of the liver is called?
Urine.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Javen?
Yes, miss. Bile.
Incorrect. It's urea. Sanique, your final question. What holds the bones together in a human joint?
Muscles.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Javen?
No, thank you.
It's ligaments. Your questions now, Javen. Apart from sunlight, name one other thing needed for photosynthesis to occur. Question passes to Sanique.
Yes, please. Water.
That's correct. Or carbon dioxide. Javen, which optical instrument has two eyepieces and make far objects appear nearer? Sanique, would you like to try?
Yes, please. Telescope.
Incorrect, it's a binocular. Javen, back to you. Which vitamin does the body lack if a person is suffering from scurvy?
Vitamin C.
Correct. Complete the statement with the correct word. The waste product from the kidney is called?
Urine.
Correct. And final question, what is the name of the tough, flexible muscle material found between bones in a human joint?
Pass.
Sanique, would you like to try?
Yes, please. Cartilage.
Correct. That's the final question in the science face-off. We move on to English language with Raheem Bailey from Bamboo up against Carrie Lee Brown, captain of Dunrobin Christian Academy. Raheem, which part of speech is the word down as used in this sentence? The boy fell down at school.
Preposition.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Carrie Lee?
No, thank you.
Adverb. Raheem, according to the proverb, who always blames his tools?
A workman.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Carrie Lee?
No, thank you.
It's a bad workman. Raheem, which six-letter word starting with R is a synonym for cure? Carrie Lee, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Remedy. Raheem, spell artificial.
Artificial.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Carrie Lee?
Yes, please. Artificial.
Correct. Raheem, by adding a prefix, give the opposite of normal.
Abnormal.
Correct. Your questions now, Carrie Lee. Which part of speech is the word over as used in this sentence? The bus ran over the box in the road.
Preposition.
Correct. According to the proverb, what is worth two in the bush?
One bird.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Raheem?
Yes, thank you. A bird in the hand.
Correct. Carrie Lee, which three-letter word starting with W is a synonym for conflict?
Pass.
Would you like to try, Raheem?
No, thank you.
War. Carrie Lee, spell precarious.
Pricarious.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Raheem?
No, thank you.
Precarious. And final question, Carrie Lee, by adding a prefix, give the opposite of just. Question passes to Raheem.
Yes, thank you. Unjust.
That is correct. And the final face-off in social studies is between Kimora Allison from Bamboo Primary up against Matthew Edwards from Dunrobin Christian Academy. Kimora, is St. Lucia to the north, south, or west of St. Vincent and the Grenadines?
North.
Repeat, please.
North.
Correct. A tremor is associated with which natural disaster?
Earthquake.
Correct. What is the name of the only hospital for children in Jamaica? Matthew, question passes to you.
No, miss.
Bustamante Hospital for Children. Kimora, which city in Barbados was formerly called Indian River Bridge?
Bridgetown.
Correct. And which Caribbean country was the first to receive independence?
Haiti.
Correct. Your questions, Matthew? Is Barbados to the east, west, or south of St. Vincent and the Grenadines?
West.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Kimora?
No, thank you.
It's east. The eye, Matthew, is associated with which natural disaster?
Hurricane.
Correct. What is the name of the only public maternity hospital in Jamaica?
Pass, miss.
Would you like to try, Kimora?
No, thank you.
Victoria Jubilee Hospital. Matthew, the capital of Guyana, lies on the Atlantic Ocean at the mouth of which river?
Pass, miss.
Kimora, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's the Demerara River. And finally, Matthew, which was the first Commonwealth Caribbean country to receive independence?
Pass, miss.
Kimora?
No, thank you.
It's Jamaica. And that brings us to the end of the face-off with Bamboo Primary on 15 and Dunrobin Christian Academy on 11. Stay tuned. The final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.